Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Acura Integra alternator. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, a 10mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. You will also need a new alternator, a battery terminal brush, and some dielectric grease. Remember, safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery cable from your car's battery before starting any work. Next, you will need to loosen the serpentine belt tensioner pulley to remove the belt from the alternator. Once the belt is off, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts securing the alternator to the engine bracket. Remove these bolts and then carefully work the old alternator out of its mounting position. Now it is time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into the engine bay, aligning its mounting points with the engine bracket. Insert and securely fasten the mounting bolts, ensuring the alternator is snug and stable. Reconnect the main power wire and all other electrical connectors, making sure they are tight. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it is properly routed and tensioned. Before you finish, double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and correctly routed. Reconnect the negative battery cable, making sure the terminal is clean for good contact. Start your engine and observe the dashboard battery light. It should turn off. For a final check, use a multimeter to verify the charging system voltage, which should read around 14 volts at idle, confirming a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.